So you too can control electricity? I am the thunder's lightning bolt. Ugh. Let's see how you do against my fists.
Round one. Fight!
Bam! I thought you were gonna get food from McMuscles. It says McDonald's right here. This is the wrong universe. Oh, I guess you're right. Anyways, eat up. Shit, I'm down. So you have a half man, half bird sidekick. He doesn't work with me per se, but like he is friends with one of my other coworkers. Barely anybody knows him really. Huh. That's interesting. But we got other cool superheroes like Hempath, where he's like an empath, but he smokes weed or something. We also, my boss is pretty cool. He's like a tiger guy, you know. He's like very angry though. But overall, he's okay. He's an okay boss. I'm okay with that. But what about that guy? What about that? That. Nobody knows who or what that is. You know? It's kind of weird. It's a bit of a mystery. Overall, it's really cool. All of his superpowers like come from his helmet or something. Really powerful guy. Whoa, that's pretty interesting. Mind if I take a tendy? Those are my tendies.